Welcome back to Visla's AI Director Mode tutorial series. Before we jump back in, I'll remind you that I'll be creating a generic fire safety training video. You can follow along or build your own video as we go. In this video, we'll take a close look at the Generate AI video menu option on your dashboard, which opens Visla's video agent. Let's get started. It all starts here, on your Visla workspace dashboard. Select Generate AI Video to get started. At the top of the page is the video agent, and below you'll find example videos made using AI Director Mode. Feel free to watch these anytime you need inspiration. In Visla's video agent, there are several ways to add prompts. You can type out ideas here. You can add any kind of text or web links, or upload files like PowerPoint presentations, PDFs, video clips, or audio files. You can also import any media you already have uploaded to your Visla workspace. I'll add my video script here, which I generated with ChatGPT. Next, I'm going to choose my video's visual style. The style you choose will determine how Visla makes your video look and feel, and there are a ton of styles to choose from, ranging from cinematic to watercolor. If you're having trouble deciding what style you want to make your video, you can get a recommendation from Visla based on your prompts. Here are my recommended options. Since I'm making a fire safety training video intended for a generic office-based business, I'll ignore my recommended styles and select Corporate Minimal. If you have your branding set up in your Visla workspace, you can add it here. In your workspace settings, under Branding, you can add your logo and company colors, so all your videos are properly branded. When you've finished adding your prompts and are ready to move to the next phase, click Generate. In the next video, we'll move to Phase 2 of the AI Director Mode workflow in Visla and build our storyboard. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next chapter.